Potassium, one of the three major sources of nutrients for plants, need not be supplied only through inorganic fertilizers. There are various organic sources of potassium that can benefit the plants in your garden hugely. Moreover, potassium is highly required for good immunity in plants. It helps plants to resist pests and other diseases. Let's move directly to the list of various organic sources of potassium that can serve as the richest sources of potassium for your plants. I have also made a video on the richest sources of nitrogen for your plants, and the link is available in the description box below. Before moving on to the list, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon for more useful gardening info and tips. Number 1. Cucumber skins. Burned cucumber skins are one of the fastest releasing sources of potassium and contain 27% of potassium. Number 2. Crab waste. Making compost with crab waste and crab shell by mixing it with leaves and other kitchen waste, and leaving it for months, will serve as a rich source of potassium and nitrogen for your plants. Number 3. Granite dust. The most effective but slow-release source of potassium is granite dust. Since it is a natural rock, it is a slow-release source and is not a quick fix. Granite dust will be easily available in granite quarries and is inexpensive. Number 4. Greensand. Greensand, which is available in ancient seabeds, is a rich source of a handful of nutrients and also supplies a good amount of potassium to your plants. Greensand is also available in various gardening supply stores. This releases potassium at a medium rate. Number 5. Kelp. Kelp is a good quick-release form of potassium for your plants and is easily available in both liquid and solid forms. Kelp, along with seaweed, is a highly effective source of potassium for your plants. Number 6. Clay. Kaolinite, clay, is also one of the effective sources of potassium. Mixing some clay soil into your garden bed will help your plants widely. Number 7. Wood ashes. Wood ash is one of the most easily available natural sources of potash to your plants in the garden. Directly adding hardwood ash to your plants will serve as a rich source of potassium for the plants. Number 8. Sulpomag. Sulpomag is a mined rock that is used commonly as a source of potassium for plants. Sulpomag is a combination of potassium, magnesium, and sulfur, so this needs to be used only when magnesium and sulfur are also required for your plants. Sulpomag can be used during the growing stage of your plants. These 8 sources of potassium are natural sources that can be used for your organic garden.